Hi, my name is Samantha. I am an MA student here at CyberTex Killeen. I love the experience. The teachers are very knowledgeable. I have, since being here at CyberTex, my classmates that I have met wound up becoming more like family. We have a union and a sisterhood that helps you get through everything. I enjoy lab days. I was very apprehensive at first, but I enjoy it so much. I'm excited to start off my career because there's so many different opportunities in this program. I'm not even sure where I want to go. I thought I just wanted to do front office, but now I'm considering EKG tech. I don't know what I want to do. It's so exciting. So I hope you guys come